Hi guys, I'm making today some banana bread, and you need half a cup of butter, and the recipe calls for a cup of sugar, but I'm only using half of that. So now you beat it all together. I've added in 2 eggs and 3 overripe bananas. And again, here we go. So I've added in half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm also going to add in some vanilla. So now I've added in a cup and a quarter of flour, as well as the vanilla, and you just stir that in. If you want to make it gluten-free, you're going to have to adjust your liquids, and I'll put in a screenshot of a gluten-free recipe that I found online at the end. I'm also going to add in some walnuts, and that's 1/3 of a cup, and I might put a few more in there. Okay, it's all mixed up, and now I'm just going to transfer it to a silicone loaf pan. So it's in there. I'm going to cook it for about 40 minutes at 350. At 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. It's still soft. So I'm going to turn it down to 300. And it's still got 10 more minutes left. Okay, let's test this out. It's still a little wet in there, but I think it'll be okay. I'm going to shut off the oven. So this is it finished. It looks pretty good. It smells delicious. Sliced. Looks like it's a bit overdone on the bottom. I'm sure it'll taste delicious. With this recipe, you can change out the sweetener, the flour. You can add in nuts or not. It's up to you. So I'll put up the gluten-free recipe. Enjoy.